Can you say hi?
Hi.
Okay. What's this one? Zebra. Good job. What's this? Elephant.
Let's do this.
Okay. What's this one?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Oh. What's this one?
Lion.
How does the lion make? Oh. What's this? Leopard. Good boy. What's this?
Hippopotamus.
What is that?
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus?
Yeah.
Oh. What's this?
Monkey.
Oh, monkey. How does the monkey make?
Ooh, 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 ah.
What's this?
Lion.
Nut. That's a lion. What's this one?
A tiger.
Tiger. How does a tiger make?
Why?
Oh. What's this? Giraffe.
Yay.
Yay. What does a giraffe eat?
Leaf.
Leaves? Leaves from where?
Up there tree.
In the tree?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Next puzzle. Put that one on the side. Okay, look at mommy. What color is your shirt, Taven?
Blue.
Your shirt.
Orange.
What color is your pants?
Blue.
What color is mommy's pants? Right here.
White.
White. What color is daddy's shirt? This part.
Blue.
Blue. What color is this part?
Red.
This one.
No.
What color is this part?
Red.
Red.
What's this?
It's red.
What's this?
What color is this chair?
Black.
Black.
What's this?
Okay, which one are we gonna do?
This one.
I'm not putting that on my speed.
This one.
Okay, say bye for now.
Bye.
For now.
For now.
Football.